Hey everyone, so in this video I will let you know most used extension in your digital marketing field. So let's start from the number one, open multiple URL. So if you are in digital marketing or SEO, yeah, if any other field, so this one is the one of the most important extension I have used. So if you have to open multiple URL in at the same time, so there are two types of option. If you have to select one URL, then open new tab and paste here. And the second smart option is directly go to Google, search open multiple URL, and number one here you can see open multiple URL Chrome web store. So you have to click here, and I have just create a new Chrome profile. Here is no extension, so I will add every extension right now. So here click on the add extension, and here you can see, if you will click here, the extension is added. If you will click here pin, so they will be show in the quick access. Okay, so this is the number one, and I will show you how these extension work. So like these, there are various number of websites. So I will search bookmarking sites list. Just for example, I will click here, and from the bottom down I will select here the random website 211. Okay, now I will go to my extension, open multiple URL. I will paste here. uh, Now you have to do nothing. There are a number and all things. Website will be open only on the domain URL, but you have to just paste all here and click on here. Before open, click here extract URL from the text. Okay, now you will see. And there is the other option is if you have to just simply need website, but whenever you copy from the any site, there are also copy number and all things. So you have to just simply press here extract URL from text, and you can copy and paste in your sheet. And the second option is now click on the open URL, like I have clicked, and you can see all the website open in the next to next tab. So this one is the best extension for the digital marketer, and if you are new in the SEO and all the IT field. Okay, so now I'm going to close all these tabs. The second is SEO Quack. This one is one of the most and important extension you have to add to Chrome. Whenever you, I will also show you the importance of this extension. Here is the edit. I will again click here. If you are new, you will confused where is the extension is goes. So you have to click here, and from here pin. Now if you will search anything on the Google, hello Google, here, so you can see here from the rank. If you are searching any of the your keyword and you are looking for where your website is ranked, so if you have this extension installed in your Chrome, you have to simply paste your keyword and then click on the second page, and from scroll down you can see number. You can also find your website like this. Like if I'm typing here LinkedIn for example, so directly you can see. If I turn off this extension from here, so there is no number will be shown. So these two are the most important extension. There are many number of types of extension that you can use in your daily routine. I will let you know in the next video. So let me know how is this video is helpful for you or not, and like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.